Outside, the sun's out, gorgeous day.
Almost feel guilty, right?
Yeah, we really do. We've been watching Hurricane Matthew down in Florida. Lonnie Quinn is standing by with our local forecast and also a mention about what's happening there.
We'll touch upon everything, and you know, all kinds of flights delayed because of a storm of this magnitude. We actually tried getting me out of here today to go down there, and
didn't work.
Everything Atlanta south, buttoned up, just closed up. All right, guys, let me show you what we're dealing with outside in our area. And this is what Maurice and Christine are talking about. Just so pretty here, and such a calm air mass. A beautiful day. It's gorgeous outside. 71 degrees. We told you hit a high today of 73. Winds right now east-northeast at around 6 miles per hour. What you should be expecting as we look ahead. It's a great day today. Going to be a great day again tomorrow. Some showers are possible during your day on Saturday. Hurricane Matthew, a huge storm, but not our storm. Again, if that was to change, I'll let you know, but right now we feel pretty confident of that. It's going to be devastating, though, from Florida to South Carolina, maybe even getting as far north as North Carolina, but it's just not coming to our area. Doesn't mean we don't continue to watch this storm or be super concerned for that area, but it's just not coming to the tri-state. Vortex satellite and radar shows you the tri-state has a beautiful sky on top of it, and you'll see some wet weather here around Michigan. That's going to go up and over us, so we don't see a rain chance really until Saturday, and just a little bit of rain. As far as what's going on in the tropics, all right, here we have Matthew. Now, it's less than 100 miles to the southeast of West Palm Beach, Florida. Currently, it's right around Freeport in the Bahamas. And look at this. Like two systems out there. Well, yes, there is. There's another hurricane right behind us, okay? This is Nicole. I'll give you the information on that in just a moment. But first, we check in on Matthew. And look at the cloud heights here. I mean, this is a big, enormous storm. It's a Cat 4. You've got 140-mile-per-hour winds. This is a Cat 1 behind it. Right now, it's sort of feeding off the subsidence of Matthew. What that means is a hurricane has all this rising air and then it's sort of sinking air on the outside, which is why the air is always so beautiful, right before a hurricane gets here, and it's nice after it leaves as well. That air is pretty easy for the second system to form on. Once it starts catching some of this outflow, I do believe it's going to get knocked down in its intensity. Let's check in, though, on how we see things working with Matthew, okay? Hugging that Florida coastline as a 4, then a 3, up to the South Carolina, Georgia coastline as a Cat 1, looping back around almost to the same starting point. I mean, you're dealing with this storm in this portion of the world all the way until Tuesday, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The system that's behind it, well, here we go. Possibly up to a 2 for a moment in time. So it's just wobbling. It's that outflow that it's dealing with. But then it gets bumped down to a tropical storm. And then here we are Tuesday again. As Matthew's a tropical storm going south, this one is now a hurricane moving a little bit to the north with 75-mile-per-hour winds. So we're going to watch that one. That's Nicole. Let's get right into everything here. What you can be expecting. 6 to 10 inches of rain in Florida if you're making a landfall around a certain area where you have family or friends or just the folks in that area. Could see 6 to 10 inches or more of rain. Winds 80 to 125 miles an hour or more. And it's possible that it could be more now if you catch that landfall, because now it has bumped up in its intensity to 140 miles per hour. The storm surge anywhere from 5 to 8 feet, could be, you know, more around the eye, and power outages are going to be widespread. You know, super giant number of widespread outages in Florida. And right across the board, we talk about a bit of a rain chance here on Saturday, not a big deal, and then a better looking Sunday. Monday looks really nice out there for the Columbus Day holiday, and we keep sort of seasonal temperatures here. But now we'll watch this second system I just pointed out, Nicole.
Gosh, okay.
Thank you, Lonnie.
Thank you.